Hello, beloved tribe. This is Emily Potter, the director of the Lightworker Musicians Tribe and the Million Kisses Foundation. And I would like to share with you a little scene of my delicious moments right now. I am pet sitting these little sweeties right there. I'm the luckiest girl ever. So I want to talk with you about something that is specifically coming from our tribe. I don't make these things up. This is happening in our tribe. So it's real, it's live, it's raw, and it's needing to be talked about. So a tribe member in our tribe just last week shared with us that he has been saying for 10 years that soon he will create his album. He is extraordinarily talented. And I want to ask you the same question. Have you been stuck in the soon trap? Saying the word soon. Soon you're going to save up for those voice lessons, those guitar lessons. Soon you're going to save up for that album. Soon you're going to save up for mentorship. Soon you're going to be saving up and making that plan for your tour. The soon trap is a trap, and I am so grateful for that brother who admitted it, because he started saying soon about 2009. 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. It's 2019, and he is still saying soon. And then he joined this tribe, and now we're completely giving him all sorts of support. And I hope he takes himself up on it, that he really is going to be coming out of the trap of soon. Are you in the same trap, tribe? So I'm going to actually ask you if you are in that trap. And I'm going to call it a trap. It's a stuck place, and it's an illusion, and you are way more powerful than the word soon. And I'm going to give emphasis to those who know that your circumstances are the exception. You're the one who, well, Emily can say whatever she wants, but she doesn't know my situation. She doesn't know my circumstance. I'm the exception. I'm going to let you know that every single one of you are the exception, and I'm the exception too. And I say that with such honor for what you are going through. But I just want you to look at it and consider something, and I'm going to give you a solution at the end of this video to just at least look at, so that if you are in a place where you need to believe that you're the exception, I have nothing to say. Do your thing. Keep being the exception. And everyone else who says, I'm ready to not be I'm ready to be out of the trap, then keep listening. So I have a little self-evaluation for you. And you can even come back and watch this video again if you want to listen to the questions with a little bit more depth. But right now, if you're live with me, number one, on a scale of 1 to 10, how okay are you with hearing that our tribe brother was in the trap of soon for 10 years? How okay are you when you hear that? Does your mouth absolutely drop in shock? Does it bother you 10 out of 10 when you hear that? Or you're like, yeah, it's about right, and it doesn't bother you much at all? So actually ask yourself this. How much does it bother you that one of our beloved potential tribe members, who has light beaming out of his eyes and his talent is beyond compare, has been stuck in a trap of soon? How much does that bother you on a scale of 1 to 10? That's my first question, because I can't make you care about that, but I care. I'm extremely bothered by that, enough to do a live video. Number two, he started saying soon in 2009. I'm just guessing from what he said. He said it was about 10 years. Okay, so that was 10 years ago, 2009. Were you alive in 2009? Were you a musician in 2009? And now it's 2019. He has said the word soon for 10 years now. So I want to ask you the next question of your self-evaluation. Is this you? How long have you been using the word soon? Soon you're going to get courageous enough. Soon you're going to make a strategy. Soon. How long have you been saying that? I want you to get deep in this and tell the truth. This is your self-evaluation number 2. Number 3, this tribe is 6 months old. Did you know that? I just started it in November. And you might have been just starting to come into this tribe, or you might have been part of it from the beginning. So the third question for you, Whoever you are and however long you've been part of this tribe, which is dedicated to you taking leaps of faith for your music path so you can be your full potential and light. It's the only thing we're doing here. So I'm going to give you an example. I am keeping a very tight and sacred container here, and you're feeling the magic of that. So I have people all the time who want to post things that are completely irrelevant in here, and I'm deleting those suckers. And people are telling me, like, well, I want them to know about this event. No events here, nothing like that. No likes, no subscriptions, no promotions. We have one purpose. Our purpose is to assist you to take leaps of faith forward into your potential and your light so that you can anchor that light to the planet. So I'm holding that for you. So if you've been part of this trap, yeah, the trap is soon you're going to make those leaps of faith. But if you've been part of this tribe, 1 month, 2 months, 2 days, I want you to ask yourself this, with this beautifully connected, unified tribe that we have created here. My question number 3, how many leaps of faith have you taken since you've joined this tribe? What leaps of faith have you taken since joining this tribe? If this tribe for you is just a place to rest, then by all means, rest. And allow yourself to just seep into the immersion of the light and goodness here, because there's a lot. If you're here to take on the full gamut of what we're really doing here, then you are invited to answer this question. How many leaps of faith have you taken since joining this tribe? Get real with yourself. There's many of you doing that, so I want you to take that into the third question of your self-evaluation. Number 4, I want you to imagine in 6 months from now. So we've been open, we've been available. I started it 6 months ago. Imagine yourself 6 months from now. It's going to be October. Where do you want to be in 6 months from now? This summer will be over. It's spring right now, and all of the summer is going to be just joyous, full of richness and lovely festivals and music around campfires, and it's going to be wonderful. And then the summer is going to be over. And then you're going to be having this same conversation of soon I'm going to be saving up for that album. Soon I'm going to be saving up for mentorship. Soon that tour. Yeah. But then it's going to be cold in October. So my 4th question for you, where do you want to be in 6 months? I'm going to say the 4 again. Number 1, on a scale of 1 to 10, how okay are you with it to hear that a tribe member has been in the soon trap for 10 years? Number 2, is this you? Are you using the word soon? And how long have you been using soon? How many years have you been using the word soon? Number 3, what's number 3? Number 3, how many leaps of faith have you taken since joining this tribe, which is dedicated to you taking leaps of faith? Number 4, where do you want to be in 6 months? Those are your self-evaluation questions. And if this isn't for you, then you will not be drawn to watch this video. But if you are watching this video and it's exciting to you, I'm getting kind of loud, but it's because I'm so excited about it, because I know where you can go. I know that the energy of soon is a trap, and to talk about it needs that emphasis and that enthusiasm. So here we are talking about it. So the solution that I have for you actually comes from another tribe member, and it's very inspiring. I was on the phone and I got to work with this brother, and he started our conversations with this one statement, which a lot of you say, I don't have any money. I'm on a tight budget. That's where we began the conversation. And the best part about working with you one-on-one is that I don't have to do your job for you. You have all of it inside of you. All I have to do is hold space for you to get your own answers. That's my favorite thing. So what I said to him is, go ahead and connect with your purpose. Go ahead and connect with your heart-centered place. Now talk to me from there. He connected to his heart-centered place. And then within, I'm telling you, about 10 seconds, he said, well, maybe I can call this one friend, and also, I can sell this one thing, and also I have an idea of a campaign I want to do. Yeah. And then we talked from that place. So he did not end the sentence with, I'm done. I don't have any money, the end of story. I'm stuck. I have a tight budget. Never going to happen. he got to the heart-centered place. I held space for that. And then from there, he had the creative source energy running through him. So this is the solution, tribe. This is the solution, is that the word soon is the trap and your heart is the answer. And it takes discipline, it takes all of those things, and you deserve accountability. You deserve to make a plan and a strategy. And I want to actually emphasize one of the things that he said, and this is something that I get to just put into your awareness once more, is that if it's money that's your thing that's holding you back, first of all, acknowledge it, and then look around and say that you want one thing more than you want the other thing. So I'm going to say something crazy here, but sell some stuff. Sell things that you wouldn't even consider selling. Sell it. I'm going to go crazy and say a second instrument. Sell it. Sell the couch that you're sitting on. Sell the television. Sell the bike. What do you want more? You're going to have an album. You're going to have your legacy that you're giving the world. Choose what you want, one or the other, and make those decisions from that place of I'll do whatever it takes. Don't get stuck in the soon, and don't let it be that in 10 years from now we're still having this conversation. I care way too much, but even if I didn't care, I don't care. Let's say I don't care. It's you. It's your life, and you have resources and people who do care, just watching and cheering you on and creating space for you. So when you're ready to make that difference, and when you're ready to actually say, I'm complete with the soon story, and you're ready to talk to me from that center, that heart-centered place, talk to me from the heart-centered place where there's all sorts of resources and creativity and excitement and arrows and possibilities, then reach out to me. We're going to have that conversation, and from that heart-centered space, we're going to create a strategy, and it's going to be crazy exciting, because in 6 months from now, you're going to have that focus. And I can't promise what you're going to have, because I don't know what you're going to do, but the results of my clients is that they have completed albums, and they have completed tours, and they have a focus, and they know where they're going. And I want to give you the same opportunity. So I'm sending lots of love. Oh my goodness, we have so many people. I don't always look at who's here until after I'm complete. So look at everybody go. Procrastination, Roxanne says, is holding you back. Yeah, Kylie, Travis, Nydia, Miriam, thank you all for being here. Sunny, hi. Yeah, you guys, this is as real as it gets. I'm sharing my heart with you and my passion, and I look forward to speaking to those of you who are ready to go the distance and who are ready to make that now. Because 2019 is just going to keep going. Do not make it 2020 before you start making your soon trap your history. Let yourself take the moment and seize it now. This is it. So when you're ready to do that, I'm here for you, and we will go the distance with no argumentation of your limitations. I do not stand for that. I know how powerful you are, so you can't convince me otherwise. Sending my love to you for always, and have a wonderful afternoon. We'll talk to you next time.